Alright guys, I'm Big Sean. Today I'm in the Halifax area with my good friends, Explorer Mike 744 and Oldham Urban Wanderer 666. We've come to a place I've tried before, well I've done before, but unfortunately they're like, oh shit yeah, torches.
Oh yeah, I've got mine as well.
Yeah, we'll need torches.
I've got a head.
So yeah, mentioning that, the light before were too much, well, too dark for the torch I was using, and also the light I was using. So I'm going to retry it now. They have started pulling it down, so we don't know what's going to happen here. So yeah, we'll see you in there, guys. Cool. We've got two old people there looking. Yeah. Just past get there, yeah, they've gone. Yeah.
Definitely no buttons in there.
Fucking hell, I thought that were a sensor then.
Oh,
yeah. That used to be the gym area, like a exercise area. So here we are, guys, we finally made it inside. A bit lighter than what it was before when I last came. With the vastness of this, it just drowned my light completely. So I remember coming here as a child, playing around here and going on the boards up here, which you can see there, right behind me. So yeah, come and have a look at this, guys. So if I slowly pan around, there we are. And you've got the diving boards up here. I used to jump off this big one here. Can't remember what this was for, like.
Water's missing, but they help.
Yeah, this area here used to be like a gym area. You know, like the exercise bikes and whatnot in there. And they've actually started demolition in here as well, so don't know if we can get upstairs. Well, we should be able to get upstairs through these bits. There's a door over there and a door over there. There's actually roof access as well. That's going that way. So what we'll do is we'll walk down this way so we're out that way. near out water dripping down and stuff like that in here. You had the babies area here, which I always thought it was a little bit deep here for, like, yeah. Well, it says there 3 foot 3 inch. Yeah. Yeah, I was just saying, I remember coming in here with my mates when I was a teenager.
Yeah.
We used to have them inflatable things going from side here across out into the middle, and we kept running across it and trying to knock each other off and stuff.
As you do.
As we do. Yeah. I'm going in the women's. Got a shower block there. Still got that thing in here. You've got toilets in there. Baby changing thing here. I think this were like the office area for the lifeguards. Women's changing area in here. Yeah, this is like a little office area. I'm not looking down there, someone's had a fucking turd. That is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Disabled toilets and showers in there. More of them in here. Now I know where I am. This corridor down here, you go right to the end and then turn left. That goes out to the reception area, which used to be, or was, after the swimming pool shut down here in Halifax. This, well, the reception area and reception desk was used as the police station in a TV program, which I think, I can't remember if it was Happy Valley or, I think it was Happy Valley, yeah, Happy Valley. So yeah, that's where that was filmed. The police station was filmed in here. So here we go, this used to be the men's changing area. I remember getting changed, up to like sitting on desks here getting changed. And then you had the showers over here on that blue wall there, yellow wall, sorry. So this were the showers here, and you had toilets there. This is bringing back a lot of memories for me, guys, a lot of memories. Now, what I'll do, oh yeah, which one is this? Is this Mike or John? Oh, it's John. I was just saying, down the corridor here, when you get to and turn left, that used to be a reception area. A TV program, you might have heard of it, I think it was called Happy Valley.
Yeah.
That was filmed here. It was the police station.
Ah, right.
The police station, help
Do you
desk.
remember being at the knees evilly thrown in by a Coast Guard, you had to go and fetch them?
Oh yeah, the lead bricks, yeah.
Proper one.
Yeah.
In there,
Yeah.
I remember all stuff was just left behind, like scuba diving.
Yeah, yeah. So yeah, I'm going to take you guys down the thing and I'll show you that. And well, we'll have a look in here first because it says there private, but it's not very private. This was like for the staff area. Medical, I think this was actually a medical area. Blue for lose. What?
You need to look through the glory hole.
Yeah, just bear with me a second, Mike. Because I'm going to tell you something about that area that you were just about to walk into. So I'll tell you in a sec. So yeah. There you go. Colour coding. Blue for lose, pink for sinks. Remember that rule, guys. Still got one of the old posters up there. I think I remember seeing that poster when I was here.
Let me get prepared, ready.
For...
You'll see in a minute. Go back a bit. Go back a bit. Right, I'll tell you where you can float down.
Okay, there's waiting for Mike now to give us the summons. Don't fall over.
There we go, where you go.
Can we come in now, yeah?
Do a bit of workout.
Mike's to the gym. Doing
This
his
is
ball.
what happens when you're old.
Yeah,
It's hard
he's
work.
doing his ball stretches.
Best advice, kids, don't get old.
Yeah. So yeah, here we go, guys. This bit here was the police station help desk in Happy Valley.
So it wasn't even a police station.
Wasn't actually a police station. They were just more that bit they centred on, which were the reception area.
Yeah, because if you turned all this way, they'd give it away, wouldn't they?
Yeah.
Give the game away.
Right, you see
Sure.
this graffiti out here, something. Oh, never mind.
So there you all go, guys.
What graffiti?
And we're not going to get upstairs this ways. So here's the stairs laying on the floor here, as you can see. 'Cause it used to come up and where that metal bit is and round. So we're not going to be able to get up that ways. So what we'll do, we'll go back this way.
Sound equipment that I've used it.
Surprised that's actually still here, actually, to be honest.
I have. It's not in bad nick, really, is it?
No.
No, Mike, we're not putting it in the back of the vehicle.
Are you sure?
So yeah, Mike,
Do that work.
the reception desk up there, that's where they filmed the reception of the police station in Happy Valley.
Oh, right.
That's where that was
I
filmed.
like that programme.
Yeah.
I like Sarah
Ruined
Lancashire.
it for you now, then, telling you it wasn't really a police station.
I like Sarah Lancashire.
Yeah.
Oh shit, I said that on video. You can see it.
Yeah, another gym area here, guys, with all the mirrors and whatnot. So we're all going upstairs now by the sounds of it. So where have they gone to? Well, we can't go up them stairs. Yeah, we can't go up them stairs.
No. I've been there, there's not much, so we
Yeah.
just go around, see if we can get up.
So yeah, when you see the police sign on the building, that's out there.
Yeah,
And then they came through and that was the police reception desk.
I'll have a watch of it again.
Yeah.
I bought snorkel gear. Then I've got my GoPro,
Yeah.
and I'm
Yeah.
chasing fish under.
Yeah,
I've
that
Yeah.
because you go for a bro.
got a
Yeah.
spare one. Got a spare one. I didn't tell the missus that, but I went and bought a new one. I'll have to buy a new one, love, to replace the one that's broke.
Now, did I...
I'm not recording.
Oh yeah, look at that safe there, guys.
Yeah, that's a big one, that.
That is a big one.
That's what all the girls say.
Oh no, that's just a small room, like office area.
Right.
There was.
Get the TV.
And that's staff toilets. More staff toilets. Right, let's get upstairs. Now there is roof access as well, but I don't know how safe the roof would be after.
All that, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's find out.
Oh, that'd have been a great place to take off with drone.
Yeah.
Ah, bugger, I should have brought my drone with me. Mind you, I'm going to get my drone up anyway.
I've got mine in the car.
Yeah. Right, so yeah guys, I used to, after going to the reception there, I used to walk down the corridor here and there was another way upstairs. I can't remember where it was. Not there, 'cause oh shit, I didn't want to do that.
It's big.
It's big down here for mine.
Oh. Yeah, it goes down to the basement below the pool.
There you go.
There's Flipper 2.
Flipper!
The sequel.
Yeah, the sequel's never as good as the first one.
No, never. For a minute I thought that was a light then.
What it is, it's just natural light. So I wonder what was actually down here.
Hey?
I wonder what was actually down here.
This was the oh, they've taken it all out. There was in there, or down there. Yeah, down there. There's a big tank. This was like for the chlorine and shit.
So this was all
And
the
the-
pumping stations.
Yeah, and the heaters for the pool.
The heaters.
Warning, gas at pressure. How do they know that I'm going to come here? So yeah, the big tank in there, guys, that I went and looked at last time. These are your heaters for the water. You heat the water. Now I don't know if I can hop across to that one. Yeah, there's a tank in there through that door.
There's no tank in there.
Yeah, I managed to get onto it and God, it stank.
Chlorine.
Chlorine and oil and shit like that. Ooh, I've got a nut guard.
Safety cage.
Yeah, and look,
The witch is out.
I come not unfiltered.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah,
That's a big one.
that's what everyone says. Well, I'll go say. Big ball.
Hang on.
Oops.
You're not soon.
I know. Oh, look at this grease down here.
Yeah.
Lots and lots of grease.
Where's the apprentice?
I don't know where the apprentice has got to. Yeah. Let's try and sneak past all these.
Notice they kept it all local.
Yeah, good.
Oh, they kept it what?
Local.
Oh yeah.
Get the part numbers and everything.
Oops. Yeah, I managed to climb up there last time. I don't think I'll be able to pull myself up there this time though with my two. Yeah.
Looks like I cut them open just to check.
Yeah, they probably will have done. But yeah, it stank
Be
with that.
careful with my knee.
Yeah. Well, I'm having to be careful. Oh yeah, I haven't told you that yet. Went for my x-ray on my shoulders. And as I was stood talking to young lass, I happened to hear like a peep and I looked at the machine and I says to her, oh God. I says, that doesn't sound right. She goes, oh bloody hell, she ran back across. She goes, no, it's not. She started fiddling around with it. I says, oh dear, let me guess, it's changed parameters on its own. She says, yeah. So if we'd have not noticed that, I'd have got more of a dose of radiation than what I was supposed to have had. Yeah.
Very lucky.
Yeah. And I turned around to her and says, you know, I says, there were a machine in, I think it was America, that was there to fight cancer. It's called a Therac machine, and that did exactly the same and killed quite a few patients.
Yeah.
She goes, God, it sounds like you know a lot about radiation. I says, I do. And you know what the shocking thing was, she said to me, well, to be honest with you, even though I work with these machines, I only know how to operate the machines. I don't know much about radiation.
just knows which buttons to press.
Yeah. So yeah, underneath this bit, guys, these walls, thick concrete walls, is where the pool is. This is a pool wall. And it says here, don't touch. Nothing's happening.
Some of that back there, I wasn't recording. Sorry about that. But we're not making those, it's just concrete walls.
Yeah. I think another sticker down here actually. Camera termination. Hey? Bloody hell. Yeah, there we go, guys. Just putting another sticker up. And Mike said something about black glass. Right guys, we're going to make John jump here. What's going on with the steps? There he is. So that failed, guys. We were going to jump out on John and make him jump, but there we go. Wow. I found myself in a nice little cage. It's gone up. Yeah. More changing rooms up here. So we'll look through here. Yeah, you see how retro these are, guys. All the old benches. Oh, look at that, you couldn't wait.
Couldn't wait, have to do better working out.
Yeah.
I think it's very heavy.
Very heavy.
Very heavy.
Oh. Nice sign there, guys. It says deep end. Not very deep up here, is it? Let's see where's them gone? Mike? More changing rooms down here. we've come back out this way. So, that was a bit random. I was thinking, why is there another thing up here, but I should have realised that that slope was for that. Yeah. Let's go out here. Oh, yeah. What we'll do is we'll get a nice view from up here, guys. That just goes down. It's this way I want to go. You can just, well, if you can find a clear spot in the skies, you'll be able to see the courthouse. There's the old courthouse there, county court. That's like a county court, I can't. Man, yeah, county court. Oh. Shit, we're gonna go past this bit.
What's the prices? Well, you think you would, but...
What's that?
Sauna. Big sign on it saying caution, hot surfaces do not touch.
Oh yeah, yeah. There you go, guys. The sauna there.
People...
Now, I'm going to say we don't want to be too close to it. Just do it. There was.
Past it, you won't get caught. Oh shit, we passed it.
Oh dear.
We've been past it.
Yeah.
Oh dear.
There was.
What?
A way to the roof. What way was it? I'm pretty sure it was back this way. Yeah, I'm pretty sure when we got on the roof it were over that way, John.
That way's dead end, it goes down to the fire exit.
Yeah. So I do remember we came up here and we went through a load of corridors.
That's a plain door corridor, that's what
Yeah.
Emergency exit doors.
Yeah. Because the weird thing is, there was like a little room with like a wheel thing you could turn.
Yeah, wheel.
And I'm pretty sure the chimney for this place is over here, and we got onto the roof by the chimney. Yeah, that's.
Go around and get photos on the way.
I remember coming in and say, oh, I used to sit around about here when we used to come with school. But yeah, we'll get photos.
Now we're at the highest point.
Yeah.
Getting us going back down now. You were just saying when you were coming in, you had to move at least 3 needles. The way we crawled in.
Yeah. Oh, you're doing photos next? Ah!
Yeah.
That might have been it.
Because that's going back down now, it's going down.
Yeah, that's going down.
Yeah.
So, We want to get photos from up here, don't we?
Yeah, so that was the way.
Yeah, I do remember it. Yeah, that would have been the way to get in.
Yeah.
And the only other way is up through that window there, but it's a bit too high.
Yeah.
Right, so yeah guys, that's the end of this one. Gonna wrap it up here. We're gonna go and get some more, get some photos of the place and head off to the next location. So we'll see you there, guys.